What's going on, guys? Brandon here with SunStop Window Tinting. Today we've got a 2020 ZL1 Camaro right behind me. Crazy color green, greenish yellow, whatever you want to call it. Today we're only doing the front two windows and the little quarter pockets on the back. No back glass. I don't really know the reason why, but they definitely did not want that tinted. And I'm going to shave the side windows as well to give it that micro edge. No gaps or anything like that. Stay tuned. So on this vehicle, all we're doing is 20% black ceramic on the two roll down windows and the quarter pockets. All right, so for this vehicle here, I'm gonna make the pattern a little bit bigger. That way I can ensure that it is overhanging the edges of the window. That way I can do a micro edge over the top. So what I like to do is add about ½ an inch to the height and then about ½ an inch to the width. So while that's cutting, I'm gonna prep the glass, the outside of the glass, getting ready for shrink. What I normally like to do, if they're super flat, is just go ahead and squeegee everything out, lift up the bottom. Then you tend to get a little bit of fingering and stuff like that, so that's where I get my shrink.